Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We've gone professional today. We have the little microphone out, and today I have for you a tutorial on how to do a kidney crusher on the Aerial Silks. Now, I was thinking about what I could teach today because I have access to this incredible space at Body and Pull in New York City. They have aerial silks, aerial hoop, aerial hammock, pole dance, flexibility classes. Definitely check them out. It's a beautiful place to train. But I was thinking about what I could possibly teach you all today. I was going back through my old videos and I realized, OMG, I have never taught kidney crusher before, which is literally the first thing I learned when I started taking level 1 silks. Now, not to be confused, this is something that you have to have at least some intro to silks experience, because you do have to tie a foot lock in the air in order to do this. But as far as beginning or whatever level is after your introduction to silks, whether that's level 2 or advanced beginning, as far as that goes, I think this is just about one of the most basic things you can do. Unfortunately, it feels like the name. It does squish your kidneys a little bit. And if you have any sort of stomach issues, maybe this isn't the best sequence for you. But I think it can look really pretty if done correctly. So we'll get into it. Now, before we start, before you hop on the air, a few ground rules as per the usual. One, if you are learning something for the first time, please practice with a safety mat. I have this beautiful one underneath my feet. Also, and I can't believe I've never said this before in a video, make sure you're warm. I've done about 10-20 minutes of shoulder shrugs, some light stretching, things like that. Make sure you warm up at least your legs and your arms a little bit before you just throw your body on the silks. And finally, before we're in the air, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on, because it really supports me, it really helps me, and it also helps me to make more tutorials for you. All right, let's get into it. All right, microphone is hooked up to the top, and I'm gonna do my favorite thing, which is talking while I'm trying to do aerial. So hard and challenging. So in order to do this sequence, you do have to have some height. My silks here are pretty short, so I'm gonna go as high up as I can put my hands, and I'm gonna tie a single foot lock on one of my feet. I have a little bit of an injury in my groin, so for this, I'm gonna tie my left foot so that when I twist my leg, it's gonna be the right leg twisting where I don't have my groin injury. I know you guys really needed to know that. Anyway, when I climb, I'm gonna climb with split silks just so I don't have to mess with them once I'm in the air. So, all right. So, say I'm up here. I had to kind of reach kind of low, but say I'm standing on the foot. Once I'm standing, I wanna kneel down. Kneel down, make sure the live end of the silks is on the inside of your thigh. From there, same arm as kneeling leg is gonna reach through, gonna grab the other silks and tie another foot lock. I'm gonna make sure to drag a lot of slack because I want my legs to end up uneven, like the letter L, like an upside down letter L. All right, from here, I'm going to bring both hands behind me, thumbs down, and I'm gonna bring my head to the other side, away from this front leg. So my left leg is forward, My head is on the right side of the silks. From there, same arm as leg that is forward. Flamenco grips. If you don't know what that is, taking the back of my hand, placing it on my forehead, and then reaching high on the silks, kind of like with a twisted flamenco grip. From there, I slide my body away from this front leg. You want the silks to end up in your low back. So keep sliding until you get there. Let's see if I can be at a better angle for you guys. So see how low it is? Not on my butt, but on my back. From there, grab both hands on the silks, make sure it's in your armpit, and then you're gonna bring your bottom leg up in front of the silks to sickle the toe behind. And this is it. If you feel safe, you can release both hands. If you don't. Or you can release one. I kind of like that. I think it's very dramatic. To get out, we're just gonna go back the way we came. Re-grab both legs. Bring that foot down. And then from here, for me, I like to just flex my foot, slide it out, but then I have to return my body. So I grab the free end of the silks to face the locked foot. And then I'm still low to the ground. I can just step down. All right, man alive, I forgot how much harder it is to talk while you do aerial, but we're gonna do it again. This time, I'm just gonna go through it a little faster without stopping and breaking it down. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments below. All right, let's get into it. All right, that is it. That is the sequence of the day. Definitely let me know your thoughts and feelings in the comments. Now I gotta tell you guys, there is another way to get into this through dancer locks. I'll demo that in a future video. We can go over how to get into it that way. Oh my God, my heart is beating so fast. Anyway, this is just a reminder also that besides being here at Body and Pole, I sub here sometimes. So definitely continue to follow me on all the socials to check out my sub schedule. And of course, one more reminder to hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next time, have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.